Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to enable the voice transcript on your WhatsApp on your mobile phone. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how do you enable the voice transcript on your WhatsApp? So first of all, go to your setting in the WhatsApp. Then you have a lot of options here. You just need to choose the option called chat. Click on this. Now here you have this option on the chat setting called voice messages transcript. So now you just need to enable this read and new voice messages. So if you just enable this, so read your voice messages with a transcript. Your personal voice messages remain end-to-end encrypted, so no one outside this chat will be seeing this. And click on choose language first. So you can just, there's only 4 languages here. So we just can enable this, or you can just download it from your own network, or you can just wait for the Wi-Fi. So this is how you just enable the transcript. You can just change the language by clicking the transcript again. So this is how you just change the transcript on your, or just turn on the transcript, voice transcript on your WhatsApp. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.